Softball middle infield. The first angle is in front of the athlete. 3 routine grounds balls. The goal is to show good angles, footwork, and momentum through the ball. 3 glove side ground balls. 3 backhand ground balls. Then move to 3 slow rollers. The goal is to show quick hands and feet. How fast can you get rid of it? Film the exact same routine, just from behind the athlete. Make sure you are recording ball velocity with a radar gun 1, throwing across the diamond. The last angle is behind the first baseman. Film 1 of each routine, backhand, forehand, and slow roller. Double play feeds, 4 to 5 that are 6 for 3. Four to 5 that are 4-6-3. Show your skills on these flips. Don't be afraid to throw in a glove flip. Then turn double plays from shortstop. Turn some for 6-3 double plays. Then turn some 6 for 3 double plays, showing glove side and backhands.